Hey everyone, Black Friday is finally here and the discounts this year are honestly huge. If you are planning to start Amazon FBA or you already sell on Amazon and want better tools for product research, keyword tracking, listing optimization or competitor analysis, then this is the best time because Helium 10 is offering a massive Black Friday discount, and today I will explain the full offer, what Helium 10 help you and why this deal is worth it for the Amazon sellers. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the best tools without any confusion. And like always, no need for any coupon code, just use the link in the description and the Black Friday discount will be applied automatically. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description for the discounted Black Friday offer before the deal ends. Alright, now let's talk about the Helium 10. If you don't know, Helium 10 is one of the most powerful tools for the Amazon sellers. It's used by the beginners, small sellers, and even the big brands because it brings everything into one platform. Instead of using many different tools for research, tracking, or the optimization, Helium 10 gives you everything in a single dashboard. And during the Black Friday, they offer one of their biggest discount of the year. This year, the Helium 10 Black Friday deal gives a large discount on their monthly and the yearly plans. Normally, Helium 10 can feel expensive for new sellers, but with the Black Friday offer, the price becomes much more affordable. And you don't need to type any coupon code manually. Just use the link in the description and the discount will be applied automatically. Now, let me explain what the Helium 10 can do. First, there is the product research tool. This will help you to find the winning product that have demand and the low competition but high profit potential. It saves you a lot of time because you don't have to manually search through the thousands of products. Helium 10 shows you the real data for the Amazon so you can make a smarter decision. Helium 10 also has the tracking tools like the keyword rank tracking and the competitor monitoring. This means you can see how your product is performing every day, how your competitors are moving, and what changes you need to make to stay ahead in the market. Now, why the Black Friday deal is important? Because the Helium 10, one of those tools that sellers use every single month. But if you are going to use it anyway, getting it during Black Friday saves you a lot of money for the whole year. This is the only time you get such a big discount. So who should get the Helium 10? Helium 10 can be used by anyone who wants to start Amazon FBA, anyone who is already sales or wants the better data, anyone who wants to grow faster, or anyone who wants to avoid guesswork. Helium 10 makes the selling easier because it shows you the real number behind the market. If you want to check the Black Friday discount, the link is in the description, so no coupon code needed, everything will be applied automatically. Just open the link, explore the plans and choose the one that fits to your Amazon goals before the deal expires. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.